How to create PayPal donation link or button. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal donation link or button, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So this is just in case if you need to send money through PayPal and the receiver to receive that money immediately. The one and only solution is to use a donation link which is created with a PayPal account. Create your donation link which will be used whenever somebody wants to send you money and reach your balance immediately. So here I am in my PayPal account, and on top to the right I have the settings symbol, so I must to click on it. And now this new web page is going to show me a new menu, account, security, and at the end of this menu is the seller tools. If I click on it, now I'm going to get this option, PayPal buttons. Here I can create and manage secure buttons or links, obviously, to buy, donate, or subscribe. I'm going to manage this, and here I have the donate feature. So here you have different options like create a link, customize a button. By now I'm just going to create a link. You must to click on it. And here you must to set up your donation page. There are several options. The first of these options are to show your logo if you want. So you must to upload a logo. Add an image to your donation page. Obviously upload that image. Add an inspirational message if you want and click on continue. There are more options like select the currency in which you will receive donations. How much do you want donors to give? Here in the left side you can see how is this donation page having form, okay? So perhaps an exact amount. So I just want my button to receive $300 and no more. Or obviously any amount they want, or set 3 amounts of options. So the first one is going to be 3, 30, 300, and you can add other amount if you want. Okay, so that person could click here in others, and obviously he could vary these prices. Do you want to give donors the option to increase their donation amount to help offset the cost of fees? So here it is. If you deactivate it, obviously they are not going to have that option. And also allow donors to make monthly recurring donations. So like a subscription. If you activate this, they're going to be like in this donation monthly or annual. So whatever you want. And the last option is to allow donors to choose specific programs to their donations. Okay, so maybe I just want to use this donation for the climate change. I don't know. There are several options, or you can deactivate this. And that's it. You must to follow your steps to finish up your setting up, and you're gonna get your link. You can copy and paste that link whenever you want to receive your donations. So this is how to create a PayPal donation link or button. Thanks for watching.